Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. Now if you just started out with organic affiliate marketing, then you may be just trying to figure out how this space works, and it's a little different than anything else, a TikTok or Instagram or anything like that. It's a little bit more personal. So you have to bear in mind that nobody was perfect when they started in this space, so there's no reason why you should feel inferior or have that dreaded imposter syndrome. So it's a level playing field for everybody, and everybody had to start somewhere, and that is uploading content in one form or another. Now I know from having conversations in this space that there are hidden barriers that stop many affiliates from starting. You're not sure what to post, not convinced your content is good enough, and concerned about the reactions that your content will actually get. So you have to switch your mindset into positivity mode, upload your posts even though they may not be the best. See, when you're starting out, that's exactly how it is, and it doesn't really matter. Nobody is looking at you for perfection, especially if you're a beginner, if you're new to this platform. So this is why I say quantity is always better than quality in this instant. What you should be doing is just post as often as you can, every day ideally, and be ultra consistent, and your content will improve over time. And you will soon understand what gets engagement, what gets the results. And if you stick to the RVL method of posting, you're on the right track to success. RVL, which stands for results, value and lifestyle. So let's start with results. At the beginning you will have no results, and that's fine, because you can post results that others have had with your core offer, and you can use your personal wins as a result. So results can be anything, and you can always just play on the words to make it look as though you personally have had results. Value, you share your knowledge and give something away for free. Helping others and offering value is a great way to build your brand. Honesty and integrity will always go a long way in this business. Lifestyle, people have a fascination with other people's daily lives. It's like people watching from a pavement cafe. The more people who get to know you, the real you, will help your KLT know, like and trust, and they are more likely to buy from you when you have that KLT. But what you don't do is try and sell or push something in every post that you do. And I've seen many affiliates do this many times, and that's why their engagement is very, very low. See, getting pitched daily is not very flattering, and is not the way to do organic affiliate marketing. See, many of the experts in this space will post in cycles, and these cycles can vary from a week to a month. So they may be in a giving cycle for many weeks, providing value and nothing else. So, but you can be sure that somewhere along on the horizon will be planned an asking cycle, which is the start of the sales process. So your audience will recognise the value that you have given, and are more likely to be interested in what you're offering, what your core offer is. So when you're new to the organic affiliate marketing space, your focus should just be on the value and the goodwill. Every day you're building your know, like and trust and your personal brand. Now I know it's tempting to want to start pushing your core offer and making sales, but this is a different business. Organic affiliate marketing is completely different than anything else. So your daily task should be commenting and engaging, preparing your content, adding friends, not just anybody but your perfect avatar, your ideal customer. And your content should tap into the main problems and pain points. Keep helping and giving that value for a month at least, and people will start to know you, but only if you're consistent. So if you can do this, you've built a platform for a solid business model that will reward you. And I hope you got something from this short tutorial on organic affiliate marketing on Facebook for beginners, and the best steps to take so you can start to build your brand, your KLT. And trust me, if you can do that, provide the value and goodwill in the beginning, the sales will come later. I hope you got something to take away from this short training. But all these little snippets like avatar, for every question, I've already done videos in this, so you can see this on all those videos on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe for more Facebook organic affiliate marketing content. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook organic affiliate marketing, I do have a free masterclass that will teach you how to reach the $10,000 a month income target by getting 500% more leads. and the link for this free masterclass is in the description below. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony. Thank you again for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.